let's talk about something every improving player struggles with: keeping the momentum. You don't need to find brilliant moves every game, you just need to keep your opponent reacting. So when you sense hesitation, that's your cue to take over. Don't wait, create. Every forcing move, every tempo. That's how strong players stay in control. And if you want to apply this mindset to your own games, this is exactly what I teach in my one-on-one coaching: how to turn calculation into control and confidence over the chessboard. To do that, just check out vrybot.com. That's vrybot.com. If you click on the services tab here, you can jump on over to the coaching description and you can even sign up right there. Once you've done that, you're going to want to hit community. That will take you over to where you can join our Discord and our calls on Discord, or just drop me a message here. And even if you're not ready for any of that, just keep on showing up here. That's initiative also. Nice job. We'll see you next time. GG's!